Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to use Oracle AI agent for employees data in Oracle Apex. Today, we are going to create or explore another option, which is generate text with AI. So let's log in to your Apex workspace. In the previous tutorial, I have explained how we can create AI service and AI agent. Today we are going to use AI service. This, this is the service that we have created in our previous tutorial. So you can see the settings in the previous tutorial. Now we are going to create another page, which will be a blank page. Generate text with AI and create this page. Now create origin, which is generate AI. We need two page items. The first one is the question, and then we need a button over here, which will be used to call the AI service. And after that, we need a page item, which will be the rich text editor, and the name is result. Now we have to create trigger action here and choose the second option, which is the generate text with AI. And we are going to use the AI service here. We have another option to use the AI agent that we have previously used in our last tutorial. Now we are going to use the service direct. We are not fetching the data from our database. We want to use the service and fetch the data from web online, and online information we want to show or use in our application. And if we want to use the only our application data from tables, then we can use the AI agent. If we select this, the second option, get vanished. So I'm going to use the AI service directly and get the information from the web service. And after that, I have to mention the input value, and we are getting the input value from question and the output value, or you can see that the response in the result. So this is the setting for generate text with AI. Now let's run the page. I have the question here. For example, what is Oracle Apex? And now I click the ask me button and wait for the response. So you can see that the response has been received from the AI service, and this is the response that we get from online data that is exists against this information, and this information is not fetched from our database tables. So let's ask something Microsoft and wait for the response. So you can see that the information for the Microsoft Corporation is also appearing here. If we want the AI service only response question related to Oracle, so we can do that by using the system prompt. The system prompt we can write if the user asks about Oracle, then give the answer. Otherwise, simply says no data found. Now save this option. Go to here and refresh your page and ask what is Microsoft, and click here ask me and wait for the response. So you can see that as per the system instructions, or you can say system prompts, it is responding that no data found. But now if we ask about the Oracle Apex and click ask me and wait for the response, so you can see that it is giving us the correct answer. So in this way, you can use the generate text with AI for your application and get the information from web online, and you can also restrict the AI service to give the answer only for the Oracle related questions, and otherwise say no data found. So I hope you have learned something about generate text with AI at Developers Diary. See you in the next tutorial.